Yeah, I did actually. I did the route of the two south, what's it called? Sea forts. And with the speed at which I did that, we concluded that it would probably take anywhere between 4.5 to 6 hours to hit level 15 for, you know, for the things. So there was that, and then the other route, which was this one right here, starting from this sea fort, going to this shrine, going to that treasury, going to that shrine, going to that right there, and then backtracking, or really just going this route right here took an hour. That was an hour. And then if you go here to Old Brimstone and you backtrack, by the time that you get back, and I think going back one more time was anywhere between 3 to 4.5 hours in being able to hit level 15. So it was pretty that one right there clearly. Is that a merm that I just saw? Or am I tripping? I'm tripping. Thought I saw a merm right there. Okay, so I'm decent on food, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to the dock and I'm gonna look for, I don't get why they're so far away from the thing, but I'm gonna see if I can find some more chain shots. You're 11 hours into a segmented run right now, hoping that they'll change the one pause rules since I've been doing 2 to 3 hour sessions. Do you already have your captain ship? Because that's gonna be huge. Oh man, there's a pineapple right there, bro. Yo, what's up, Popple? It's me, I'm swimming to you. I would believe that. Popple Dopple. Nice, 2 more chains, I'll take it. And an anchor ball. Let's fucking go. Let's go, let's go. It's so weird that they are just like, did they shoot off from there and they're trying to complete the fort? Like, what are they doing? Get off full overheal back again. I don't know what they're doing, but I'm gonna get closer. I feel like that's what they're doing. That they don't want to get shot by the fort or something. Maybe I'm not quite sure. I don't know what this play is that they're doing. It's weird. Doesn't make any sense. Are waiting to see if you come back. You got captainship at like 2 hours. Well, see, running that route, going from there down to here and back, gives you enough to go turn in at Port Merrick to get the captainship. I mean, these guys are just straight up anchored, bro. And I'm not getting a ping on them now for a captainship. The captain has left the crew, undoubtedly. What was that lag? Dog, you are not allowed out there. You were bad. You are not allowed out there when no one is out there. She popped the top. She figured out how to, like, we had it facing the wall so that she couldn't reach it, and I don't know how she did it, but she still figured out a way to pop the top on the trash can and knock it over. Just whatever Seafort shrines, treasuries were nearby when I spawned in. Dude, I think when I do an official one, if I don't get Port Merrick as my first load-in, then I'm yeah, see, we're not even getting a captain hit on him. Then I'm just gonna restart. All right, I'm chancing something here, guys. I gotta pee. So I will be right back. We are awfully close to their ship, but I will be right back. And I'm gonna get me a drink. No, no, no. No, 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 not you.